to
Where we at, Angie?
top of the butte.
Yeah, and see the view. Hi, Mary.
Hi! Happy New Year! Hello! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Good morning, friends. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2022. So, I'm out here with Maddie. We're just walking around the neighborhood a little bit. We had you guys vote on the 12-month challenge, you know, what we're going to do for January. And as you guys probably already know, the majority of you voted for 20 minutes outside every day for January. So here I am, January 1st, in the wind, bundled up. Figured I'd go for a short walk. It's a beautiful day. It's kind of a blessing. I need to get out of the house. I have the strength for it. I just need to get out of the house or stretch my legs a little bit. It's kind of slippery out here. I am wearing my micro spikes. Hate to fall and break my neck. Buddy. So yeah, here we go. See the windy going on over there. Yeah, it's really windy right now. The fact that I can still get up and walk and move and do stuff on my own after this accident, you know, that's just a blessing right there, you know. Wow, look at that wind. This is beautiful out here. I love this. Maddie's got her nose in the snow. What do you find in a snow pile? Ooh, windy. Hello there. I just want to thank everybody for being with us through 2021. It was an interesting, rough year. It was awesome, but interesting, rough. Lots of learning. So I've been noticing that we've getting a lot of new subscribers here lately. I want to welcome you all to our channel and hope you enjoy it. Feel free to comment down below anytime if you have questions on anything. If you have questions about Alaska in general, and we'll do our best to answer it. Or if you plan on moving up here, or just curious in general, you know, just shoot us some questions. If you're curious about us at all and our story, you know, just ask away. We're open book up here. We enjoy you guys a lot. And yeah, we definitely want to keep bringing you on adventures with us. We love it. We have some big plans for this summer. Look at that windy. Bundled up good. I'm warm, so it's not cold at all. You know, when you live in this kind of weather, this kind of climate, you learn to dress for it. I am moving slower than my normal pace. You know, I normally would be running right now, but it is what it is. Sometimes you just gotta slow down and take in the small things. You're a good girl. So earlier in my walk, I had a nice tailwind going. Now I got a nice headwind going. It was probably 10-15 degrees out here, but the wind chill, woo, the wind chill, when it's blowing in your face, so chilly, kind of refreshing at the same time. Oh, here comes another one. Alright, we're getting close to being there. We probably went just over a mile. It is good to get off the couch. I've been spending way too much time on the couch during this injury. You know, some of it was needed, but I can definitely get up and about now. My pain level's down very low, and I have the strength, I have the ability to get out and do stuff. I just need to get out and do stuff, you know, within reason. Don't do anything to injure further, but we don't need to sit on the couch all day either. Alright friends, we made it back to the cabin. Now I just need to go inside and make sure I got my full 20 minutes in here. Alright. Oh, look, neighbor's here.
Hello, neighbor.
Let the neighbor dog in. Alright, let's see what time it is. 1:43, and I started at 1:10. That's 33 minutes outside. 33 minutes outside in the cold. Well, let's see what the temperature is out there. It is 14 degrees. I was right there. The wind chill feels like -20, but all right. I think it's time to peel some layers and get warm. All All right, thanks for coming along.